Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. First things first, friends, there will be a link to this down below. This is my Tinkercad website. This is the designer showcase. Friends, we are up to 4 designers in the Tinkercad designer directory. If you click this link and you click on any of these users, you can see all of their public projects, which is pretty sweet. If you check out mine and you see the word tutorial included, that means there's a tutorial in the link. You can click that and start building your own awesome project. If you visit, friends, please also remember to give the designers a reaction. It is a great way to keep them creating awesome things. Alright, friends, let's paste in our first share link of the day. Friends, this is from an awesome 6th grader, Charlize. She joined my class just a week or so ago, and look at this awesome party she made. I had her do a Code Blocks chair and a table, and Charlize turned it into an epic birthday party using the cool Code Blocks eyes and the blankie. Totally fun, totally awesome. Charlize, thank you so much for taking time to share with me, and I love this kind of fun project. Friends, our second design today is from Omar. He is also a 6th grader that I taught a while back, and check it out, he has created the HL kitchen. Now Omar has added notes to this, so let's see if we can figure out what he's got going on. First, due to the shortage in money, you have a small stove, a toaster, and a small oven. I added this for a more lifelike experience. You can move the chairs, and you can open the fridge to make food. Sweet. You can move the drawers for spoons. Don't hide or the spoons won't pull out. And then also, this is the HL kitchen, which would be the first one. You can see there's a note up here. It's hot in here, please help me. So Blanky is cooking at the moment. He's got the sweet transparent light again. Let's hide one of these with Control H. Oh, what's in here? If we do F to fit view, check it out. He's got the little head in the fridge. He also has the awesome anglerfish in the fridge. Let's do Control H. Ice cream cone, cool little squid, polar bear. That is absolutely fantastic. Let's zoom in on this awesome toaster. F for fit view. When you burn the toast, that's how it looks. A loaf of bread. Oh my gosh, in here he's got a little egg. Let's do Control H to hide that, and Control H to hide that. And let's check out this egg. It is Egbert. That is super cool. Let's see what we've got on this. If we do Control H, oh, we've got a sword. Let's look in this one. There's the kitty. And Control H. What's hidden there? The shoe. And then finally, scuba glasses. That is so fun. These apparently we need to pull out. And check it out. I used the arrow key, and it actually does pull out. That is such a creative technique. Never seen that before. That is awesome, Omar. Dude, this is fantastic. And once again, thank you for taking time to share. Alrighty, friends, so don't forget, if you ever make something epic and you want to share it with me, all you have to do is click on this button, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options don't work for you, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. Use the built-in messaging tool down at the bottom to reach out to me almost instantly. I'm going to remind you one more time as well, don't forget you can visit the designer directory. Just a heads up, there's going to be another one added today. If you are interested in having your profile added, don't forget you can also click this link and ship me your profile so I can add it to the directory as well. Finally, friends, thank you Charlize and Omar for taking time to share your awesome projects. It's so awesome to see you guys get creative and make such cool things. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.